Today, we're putting the Tesla Cybertruck through the ultimate hydraulic press challenge. Then the last, but only one question: how much pressure can it really survive? It starts with a 100-ton hydraulic press, then 2,000, then 10,000, and finally, a gigantic 1,000-ton hydraulic press. Every Cybertruck gets just one chance. Each truck will face only one hydraulic press. As the pressure increases, so will the damage. By the final round, almost nothing will be left. So, which stage do you think will finally destroy the Cybertruck? Let's begin with the smallest hydraulic press. Challenge begins. Let's take a closer look at the Tesla Cybertruck. Built with an ultra-hard stainless steel skeleton, but today far beyond the road. Round 1 begins. This is only a 100-ton hydraulic press. This is the smallest press in the factory, 100 tons of crushing force. It may not sound like much, but it's enough to destroy an ordinary vehicle. Let's see how the Cybertruck handles it. Okay, first contact. Look at the roof bending. The glass is starting to crack. That's actually less damage than I expected. The Cybertruck survives round 1. The first round barely slowed it down. Now it's time for 500 tons. 5 times the pressure. And this is where the real damage begins. Okay, here it comes. The 500-ton press is moving. No, whoa, it's still standing. Oh.
The Cybertruck somehow survived 500 tons. It's still driving somehow, but the damage is obvious. Every weak point will be pushed further. It barely has any shape left. Now comes the 2,000-ton monster.
There goes the windshield. The pillars are folding. The dashboard is collapsing into the seats. The whole truck is twisting. I can't believe it's still recognizable after 2,000 tons. I can't believe it's still moving. The Cybertruck, it's almost touching the seats now. This press is absolutely 1,000 tons. This one where almost every vehicle reaches its limit. Now it has to face 10,000 tons of force. It survived 10 tons to 10,000 tons. But now, there's only one challenge left. The biggest hydraulic press ever built. This is it, the final test. The entire truck is folding into itself. The wheel's just nothing left now. 100,000 the end. Physics always wins. From just a small dent at 100 tons to complete destruction at 100,000 tons, physics always wins. Which vehicle should take on the hydraulic press next? Let us know in the comments.